Hello team, we are gonna discuss today our team's original story, like how we met and how does it went through the capstone and what came at the last. So starting from that, our journey as a team's textone began with a group of strangers. In our first semester, Janvi and me met in the class and Marmik was also there as a classmate. At that time, we had no plans of forming a team together. So as of we moved in the second semester, then we met Abhi. His creativity and technical skills stood out. So Janvi and I invited him to collaborate with us. We brainstormed about who could fulfill the fourth spot, and since we already knew Marmik, we introduced him to Abhi, and that's how our team was built. Each of us bringing something unique to the table.
Ah, I'll be explaining how we formed the team and how we brainstorm. So first of all, when we were together at that time, we all had a different strength. We all had a different domain of interest. So earlier we met up many times to think about what should we build for the capstone hiring event. So Marmik was good at the API integration, Abhi was good at designing and problem solving, Dhwani was good at the design at data analytics, and I was good at the front end and back end. So our strength, our diversity was our strength.
As Janvi discussed, with our different skills and our different strength, we started to build our demo project to showcase to the sponsors. And Abhi suggested a few names for our team, and we all agreed on Textron, a name that represents our foundation and technology and our goal to build something lasting. We also designed our logo and set the visual direction for our project.
Our sponsor Gokadal Technologies gave us a single word as a fintech. So that was a spark for us. So at first, like guided by our mentor Robert, we realized there was a need of platform that could deliver a real-time financial news and like market insights and investment tips, especially like tailored for Canadians. We wanted to create something that would not only inform us to like empower users to make their better financial decisions. So with the roles defined, Dhwani took charge of the front end. Janvi focused on building calculators and loan logic, and I means like Marmik started on API integration and backend, and I worked on the overall UI UX designs, and we just start that way.
So that's how Invested was born. I worked on the investments page, making sure user could easily explore options like stock, mutual fund, GIC, and crypto. I used React to build modular components and CSS module for responsive design. The investment data is structured for easy updates so the platform can grow with new options in the future.
So I designed and developed the loan page. So from starting, I was clear that I want to make a simple and user-friendly UI and easy to provide information dashboard for a loan. I wanted to educate people of Canada about different type of loan available in Canada. So I use the React reusable component, user state management for interactive filtering, and my main motive was accessibility. So I ensured everything is keyboard friendly and easy to read.
Uh, for my part, I did the insurance page. I focused solely on making insurance options clear and accessible. I used asynchronous JavaScript to fetch data from local JSON file, which makes it easy to update our offerings on the site, and each insurance product is displayed with the custom cards and images styled to match our theme. I've also optimized the page for fast loading time and the smooth navigation between the pages, and which is crucial for a good user experience.
So I decided to go with the overall UI and set the website theme, aiming for a clean, modern look that's both professional and inviting as well. So I also worked on navigating as a key focus for navbar footer, and that could be easily accessed to every section of the pages. And for the blog page, I worked for like component based structure, so we can easily add our blocks based on the feeds of RS. And on technical side, like we use the React for front end and Node.js for backend, and and for the version control we use GitHub as our tool for that, and we followed best practice for responsive design, accessibility, and the code organization, and making Investred scalable and easy to maintain. So looking ahead, our architecture allows us to integrate real-time API for financial news, market data, and also we can add some user authentication for personal experience as well.
Throughout the project, we collaborated using GitHub, managing the issues and pull request, pull push, and to keep our workflow organized.
Along with that, we had a regular meeting to discuss the challenges and solve it, to share the feedback, and to discuss the progress.
Our teamwork allowed us to deliver a finished product within a tight deadline while keeping the quality and user experience in focus for the further development.
InvestRed is just the beginning. With the solid foundation, we are ready to add more features and insights for Canadian investors. So thank you to our sponsor Gokadal Technologies and our mentor Rob for their support and guidance. We hope you enjoyed this presentation for exploring InvestRed as much as we enjoyed building for it. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.